Rise and shine.
Ew, what is that?
What is it? A bit of a dead bat? Is it?
No.
Wow, it's humid. Do you like my hats? We are headed to breakfast. If you can see me, it is very humid. We're going to Cape May Cafe. My old stomping grounds. I've never eaten there, and they just opened like a month or so ago. And are doing all you care to eat breakfast, so. Oh no!
That's what the weather's like.
Yeah, basically.
Welcome to Florida.
Ah! Now we're in the car. Good morning.
Morning.
We're going on a Disney cruise.
You know, which obviously because they're not a thing right now, but I'm excited for Mickey waffles and mini waffles. I don't know if there's a difference between those in flavor. I don't think so, but I don't know. I'm excited.
I like the song.
Listening to Disney music, I know. All right, bye. Yee! We're at the Beach Club.
I don't think I ever noticed there was different colors.
Yeah, Megan's just realizing that Beach Club is a powdery blue color, and DVC is teal. Really pretty.
I think I'm always here at night. That's why.
That's probably it.
Yeah, yacht.
We're here early, yeah. I mean, we rarely come here during the day, I feel like.
No,
I mean, I
it's always at night.
used to a lot. I know this is still really foggy. I can smell it now. I can smell it. I don't have to
I just smell
cover my
breakfast.
face. I know, I smell food now. But
I actually, like, now that we're here, I'm hungry.
I know. Oh, table's ready. Let's roll. Table's ready. 8:14, 6 minutes early.
Check in or check a bit.
We're in Cape May Cafe. So previously this was a buffet, a seafood buffet, I think. They might have done character breakfast. We're like on the hallway here, little booth. It's so cute. And they give you a little pastry basket and pastry toppings.
The real question is, do you only get one pastry basket?
Oh no. Yeah, if anything's all you care to eat, it's gonna be this because I freaking love pastries. And there's like one of everything in here. So there's like a roll. It's like a random, very random assortment. Yeah. So we got some little yogurt parfaits and float. And then we dug into the pastry basket. Steven went with a dinner roll for some reason.
Well, I gave everyone.
He was being so nice. I got a croissant. And they make up hot juice. I wonder what they call it here.
I know. She didn't, like, say they had it, but I asked.
And Steven got it too. I just got coffee, but I didn't want a glass of it since it's included, unlike at Kona Cafe.
Yeah.
Alright, it's kind of already been divvied up. We got some scrambled eggs, sausage links, bacon, beef, potato hash, potato barrels, and then a pancake, French toast, and Mickey waffle.
It's great.
We found a mini waffle. They're just, I think, normal waffles shaped with Minnie's bow and stuff. They're cute though.
No, they taste different.
We don't know that.
What did it taste
Side by side.
No. But Steven claims he needs more of that. So there's that. Megan ordered an omelet.
like? Did.
Ham and cheese. And I ate all of my stuff.
Alright fam, we just finished up breakfast. I am so full. It was fantastic. The other two are ahead of me. They have more energy than I do. I almost fell asleep in that booth. Could probably rolled me out like I was a barrel, but now we're going gift shopping.
I have to get this.
Ooh. Hold on, it's focusing on her face. There it goes.
And it's not a
Seaside.
DVC either. Usually it's always DVC.
Seaside. Ooh. Luggage. shirt.
The Megan and Steven show now.
This is the Megan and Steven show.
We left.
Welcome to our show. Yep, we're sitting here and
We're gonna
standing
skip
here
all the content.
in front of Beach Resort. It's
Beautiful day.
I mean, it's nice out now,
It's a
right?
little cloudy,
A
but
little cloudy. I mean, the sun's starting to
Yeah.
peek through. I mean, a little bit, breaking
it's
it up.
hot, but it's not as horrible as I thought it was going to be.
Right.
Like heat-wise.
Honestly.
But it also may be because I'm going to the water park, so I don't mind it.
Exactly.
If I was going to like a park, I may not be as content.
100%. How's your reaction to the new little courtyard there?
It looks very
Nature-y?
like everything is like very spriggy, you know? Like
Yeah.
I don't know, like
Yeah, I don't know.
It's so nice.
this is the Morgan and
What did they
Megan
have,
and Steven vlog now.
What did they have before?
You're interrupting.
In that, was that a fountain there?
I don't know.
It looks very
I don't know.
like
They replaced it with a giant pot, and I'm unenthused about it. You think it was just potted plants? Well, they just put one giant pot there now. Ooh, here we go. Ooh. Look at that monstrosity that's back there. Dang.
No, ma'am. I mean, it's.
Look at that.
What is that?
Wow, what is it?
What was that? Like, that was a giant bug.
It was a pretty big bug.
Huge.
It was huge. Yeah, we just won't look that way. We'll just look this way. Aw, look at it. It looks great. It looks great. It looks great. Oh, my hand will go right there.
at night last
Oh, yeah.
I didn't see it.
very
Ooh. I love this shirt.
Shopping.
Oh, but it's so nice. Look at this.
we're probably gonna go to like
I like this.
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. Those ones are cool too. I like these ones because it's kind of like subtle Disney, but at the same time, it's in your face.
All right, we've wrapped up at the Boardwalk. We walked around a little bit. It's getting steamy out, and we're headed to Blizzard Beach. It's 10:43. It opens at 11, so we're gonna get there and get some chairs. They aren't doing like a park pass system for water parks, and Blizzard Beach is the only water park open right now. So like, I've not heard about any of the water. Is there 2 lanes here?
Yes.
Okay. I've not heard about any water parks. I'm like covering the window. I haven't heard of any of like it ever getting full, so I'm not like we're not worried about it. But it's only open till 6, so getting there when it opens. And I won't be bringing the camera in, so maybe, and I don't even know if we'll have our phones, so there probably won't be much going on. But you can just like imagine like water and tubes and sun, and hopefully I don't get sunburned
And a ski slope.
with a crocodile or alligator.
With a crocodile.
All right.
See.
Okay, I think the camera is here. We're coming at you from the car and my phone because we forgot the vlog camera. Well, I forgot the vlog camera apparently in the villa. But we left Blizzard Beach at like 5:55.
We got back in the room like after 6.
Yeah, which like our hotel's like a couple minutes off property, so it's not far. But we were all at Blizzard Beach and then drove back, and it is 7:08 right now, and we're almost to Contemporary for our wave dinner, which I've never been to. Megan's been once.
It's really good.
I haven't been.
Yeah, I haven't been. Steven hasn't been. But yeah, we are impressed with ourselves. We're already
Deer! Oh
trying
deer!
to like. There's deer.
Yeah, deer, right?
Oh,
You can see the Disney deer.
Aww, deer. But okay. But yeah, I'm bummed we forgot the camera, but it's fine. We'll be contemporary in a few minutes, and then we can explore the Magic Kingdom Resort. Yay!
3 minutes early.
We made it. 3 minutes to spare.
No one to walk outside? Okay.
We made it to the wave. The wave.
We got our drink.
Got our drinks. We've got the Captain's Mai Tai. And this is the Long Island iced tea, I guess. And I just got a glass of Pinot Grigio.
And
We
basket of
had
bread
a
because
delicious, like, dudes. This bread is delicious. And it comes with this butter. And our awesome server gave each of us our own butter. And explained, like, every drink and every entree to us.
So Ryan,
Yeah,
you have to
Ryan
ask for Ryan at the wave. He is awesome. He's great.
But I'm gonna finish this bread, and then we're gonna get our food.
Oh.
Our food has arrived. The crab cakes, Caesar salad combo. Megan and I have partaken in it, and Steven has a pork tenderloin with a lobster tail and a big ol' au gratin potato. Just a quick update. We made it to Polynesian. It was raining a little bit, and the Polynesian's monorail station's still closed. But I got my Dole Whip, and Megan has a Rice Krispie treat. Steven has a Dole Whip. Yeah. I really want this to open back up. There's a lot of construction going on. Hold on. Okay, so we talked about Ryan, the server at Wave, who actually works at Top of the World usually, so that it reopens, say hey. He gave us bread to go in a fucking napkin. And butter.
Look, we got a butter dish.
I can't believe that.
Ryan,
It's so dumb. But let's just chit chat about some things.
oh boy.
Where is Megan? So this light's really bright. We were at Polynesian enjoying a Dole Whip in the lobby, and we're like, you know, we want to take the resort monorail back to Contemporary. So we were like, we could go back to TTC walking, or walk to Polynesian, or walk to Grand Floridian, and then get on it there. We're like, oh, let's just walk to Grand Floridian. We get like around the corner, like a building past the lobby, and there's a sign saying the walkway's closed. So Steven goes and looks because it's really dark, and it was like walled off. Keep in mind, Polynesian's monorail stop is not open. So you have no way to get to Grand Floridian. And so then we walk back to TTC, and we start seeing like...
The ghost town.
Yeah, cast members are walking away. There's nobody at all. Granted, like, so Magic Kingdom closed at 9, and this is at like 10 o'clock, I think.
Yeah.
10 o'clock-ish. What time is it even now? It's 11, maybe like 10:15. So we get to the security guard, he's like, yeah, we're closed. And we're like, well, how the heck did we get to Contemporary? He's like, buses. And we're like, okay. So we walk to the bus area. And there's like, it's just like people staying, not a lot of people, but some people sitting. It wasn't a mosh pit, but like, it was just like a hodgepodge, yeah. Sitting on benches, and like there was like one bus, but it didn't have like where it was going. And this one bus driver, really nice. This is a whole story. Really nice. She popped out. She's like, are you going to Grand Floridian? And we're like, no, Contemporary. She's like, oh, I can take you there after Grand Floridian. So we hop on her bus, get to Grand Floridian, and then she actually had to go somewhere else, so she put us on a different bus.
Beach Club. She was actually going.
It was hard. Like, they acknowledged the fact, like, it seemed kind of odd. Maybe the monorail wasn't supposed to be down, because everyone's like, oh, monorail's down. I'm like, well, is it not? Like, I don't know. Typically, like, you have a little more time than, like an hour to get out of the park. Like, Magic Kingdom closed at night anyways. So, we took a bus from Grand Floridian to Contemporary, and we made it back. But dinner was great. Dole Whips were good. Megan needs to eat her Rice Krispie.
I know. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it.
Well, you don't have to. I might have a chipper of a little Gideon's cookie, but we have to check out at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then we're gonna go to Wilderness Lodge for a couple hours before we drive through the rain to Atlanta. Yeah, apparently there's a tropical storm in the Gulf, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia area. But it was a good full second day.
No sunburn.
Yeah, I think we're good. Look how like dry my skin got though.
Yeah.
I don't have any sunburn, but I just need to like hydrate the skin. Look at the humidity though. Like it's a lot. It rained a little bit and it's just like a swimming pool outside. It did not cool it. I don't think it cooled things off. Anyways, see y'all in the morning.